Hello everyone. This is the most repeated question in the Python interviews. Here the goal is to check if list is sorted in the ascending order or not. Okay. Here we have a code. See, just don't by heart this code. Okay. Just try to understand the working flow of it, and we will understand this code step by step with every iteration. Okay. Here we have an input. The list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we compare each element with the next element, means 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4, 4 to 5. That's what we get the list is sorted or not. If the current element is greater than the next element, the list is not sorted. What? If the current element is greater than the next element, the list is not sorted. Okay? If you find such case, set sorted equal to false and break the loop. If the loop completes the without breaking the list is sorted remains true. Okay. Now let us see it with the every iterations. Here the iteration one I equal to 0. What? I equal to 0. Here compare a of 0. A of 0 is greater than a of 1. It means 1 greater than 2, result is false. Right? So there is no change. The iteration 2 I equal to 1. Compare I of 1 greater than a of 1 greater than a of 2. Here what is the a of 1? 2. What is the a of 2? 3. 2 is greater than 3? False. Right? So there is no change. Now let us come to the iteration 3. I equal to 2. Here I equal to 2. Now here a of I. What is the a of I here? 2. What? A of I equal to 2. 2 plus 1, 3. A of 2 greater than A of 3. What is the A of 2 here? 0, 1, 2, 3. Here A of 2 equal to 3. And what is the A of 3 here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is greater than 4? False. So there is no change. Again it remains same. Iteration 4. I equal to 3. Here A of 3 greater than A of 4. It means here A of 3. Here I equal to 3. A of 3 greater than A of 3 plus 1. It becomes A of 4. A of 3 is greater than A of 4. Once check here. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 is greater than 5. No, right? So it is again false. So there is no change. Here here the list is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and the condition is true. Sorted equal to true. If it is false, it comes to sorted equal to false, and it will break down and it will use false. But now here it is true because these are in the ascending order with sorted. Now guess what is the output here? Yes, it is true. I hope you understand. Okay, and please subscribe this channel and support me. Thank you.